In this video, we will show you how to make money on Rent a Cyberfriend. If you guys want to get started with Rent a Cyberfriend, you can use the links down in the description. Visit Rent a Cyberfriend's website by going to rentacyberfriend.com. Click on Get Started for free to begin. Choose to connect either as a caller or a cyberfriend. If you are a caller, you can connect one-on-one with available cyberfriends who share your interests. If you are a cyberfriend, you can earn money by chatting with callers who pay you by the minute. To sign up as a cyberfriend, click on Sign Up as a Cyberfriend on the website. Fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, and email address, and create a password. Confirm your password by retyping it. Agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy by checking the boxes provided. Click on Sign Up Now to proceed. Rent a Cyberfriend will send a verification code to the email address you provided during registration. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Rent a Cyberfriend. Copy the verification code provided in the email. Return to the Rent a Cyberfriend website. Paste the verification code into the appropriate field. Click on Submit Code to verify your email and complete the registration process. Your account is now created and verified. Begin earning money by chatting with callers who connect with you through the platform. Callers will pay you by the minute for your time and companionship. So that is how to make money on Rent a Cyberfriend. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Rent a Cyberfriend. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.